Corner shelves are fantastic space-saving features. Unlike ordinary shelves, this type of shelf allows you to occupy spaces that were previously unusable. But the advantages of this simple and so functional piece do not end there. There are more good reasons to adopt the corner shelf in your decor. The corners of a room are often not well used unless you have a planned furniture project. Other than that, they are always leftover. And, let's combine something. You can't waste space these days, can you? Even more so with smaller and smaller house plans. And it is precisely in this sense that corner shelves end up being very useful both in terms of decoration and functionality. Hello dear viewer, welcome to our channel. Today we are here to show you yet another collection of scrap wood corner shelf ideas. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post wood-made furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Corner shelves allow you to bring personality to the decor as they can be used to display unique and original items in a previously unused space. Not to mention that the corner shelves can take on very creative colors and shapes, bringing an extra charm to the entire composition of the environment. Every room in the house can count on the versatility and functionality of the corner shelves. You can use them in the bathroom, living room, bedrooms, kitchen, and even in the laundry area. And in each of those places, it can be used for a different purpose. In the bathroom, for example, it is common for corner shelves to be used in the shower area to organize and store shampoo, creams, and soaps. In the kitchen, in turn, the corner shelf breaks a branch in organizing small utensils and accessories. And if you want to make it super charming, try organizing spice pots on top of it. In bedrooms, the corner shelf can be used to organize jewelry, perfumes, makeup, and small decorative items. Another cool way to use the corner shelf in the bedroom is to display collections. In the living room, the corner shelf is beautiful when used to display plants, books, picture frames, among other objects. It can even be used to replace larger, more space-consuming furniture such as racks and coffee tables. Finally, it is still worth betting on the use of the corner shelf in the service area. Use it to organize cleaning products. It is practical and functional. There is a universe of possibilities when it comes to a corner shelf. They vary in colors, sizes, models, and shape. The simplest are those made of MDF or wood fitted directly to the wall with the help of screws and a French hand. However, there are other models, such as those that extend to form a larger shelf or even a bookcase. The materials for manufacturing the corner shelves are also quite varied. The most popular are made of wood and MDF, but you can still opt for models in iron, plastic, glass, stainless steel, and even cardboard. It all depends on the style of your decor and where you want to use it. In humid environments, such as bathrooms, for example, it is ideal to have more resistant and easy-to-clean materials, such as glass, stainless steel, and wood. In environments such as living rooms and bedrooms, any corner shelf model is welcome. When compared to other types of furniture, corner shelves are much cheaper and financially viable, while still fulfilling their main functions. In other words, you can easily replace a more expensive piece of furniture with a corner shelf without compromising on the functionality or aesthetics of the environment. Corner shelves in MDF are the most affordable on the market and can be purchased at very attractive prices. But if you want a custom design, it's worth investing in thoughtful corner shelves. Despite the slightly higher cost, the result is worth a lot. But if you don't feel like buying a ready-made corner shelf, be aware that you can make one yourself, with your own hands. The cost is even lower and you still get a piece with personality and original design. Wood has a wide variety of colors and a unique pattern of each product. Wood is an environmentally friendly material, it radiates heat and healthy atmosphere. Wood is durable and strong, can withstand angled shelf kitchen appliances and a large amount of dishes. It is used in the classic, historic, rustic style, as well as in environmental and ethnic lines. Even modern interiors, preferring glass, metal and stone, cannot do without wood. The material is easy to process, so it is often used for the manufacture of handmade corner shelves. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked scrapwood corner shelf ideas. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.